Good day guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how you will make the process keep the priority you set it to. Please head to this page, which I have also linked in the description. You can go ahead and press this fucking download button. Wait for it to download and then click on the file. Use Express installation and then go next. Then close this fucking pop-up sheet. And just like that, you're done.
It's basically like a normal task manager, but you can do exactly what you want.
I would also recommend you to go into options and then disable show info panel when mouse is in the right top corner. Because as you can see, it pops up even when you play games, and it's annoying as fuck. So just disable that and then you're good to go. I can guarantee it will set your process permanent and will help your FPS. Me myself have downloaded this program like 5 times and I have never gotten any virus or anything, so don't worry. Thanks for watching, I love you!